Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Ethereum most certainly is exchanging at $1,744.51 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.1% in kind. Most recent 1 hour amazingly. ETH essentially has an especially all-out market cap of $209,731,903,250, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,406,131,095, which truly is very critical. This generally makes Ethereum extremely positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, which basically is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum generally be truly worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Ethereum a by and large wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, really in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will ETH cost basically outperform its untouched high, which all things considered, is genuinely huge? These generally are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which explicitly is very critical. Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost by and large is supposed to for the most part cross a sort of normal value level of $2,201.95. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to especially be $2,132.37, showing how might ETH cost basically outperform its unsurpassed for the most part high in a for the most part huge manner. Besides, ETH can fundamentally arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $2,433.95, which basically is genuinely huge. Ethereum value gauge June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part arrive at a sort of typical cost of $1,826.54, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $1,878.73 and a truly least of $1,669.98. Or so they really thought. Ethereum value expectation July 2023. Ethereum cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially reach between $1,794.36 to $1,951.79 in July 2023, while exceptionally normal cost of ETH for the July essentially remains around $1,881.34. Ethereum value figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $1,956.59, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $2,045.86 and a for the most part least of $1,887.01 in an extremely significant manner. Ethereum value expectation September 2023. The cost of Ethereum really is in every practical sense anticipated to fundamentally reach at a very least worth of $1,928.31 in September 2023, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ETH cost could fundamentally arrive at a most extreme worth of $2,143.69, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2,015.29 all through 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner. ETH value figure October 2023. The Ethereum estimate for October 2023 expects that the ETH may for the most part arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $2,224.30, with an exceptionally least cost of around $1,006.16 in a sort of significant manner. Discussing the fundamentally normal value, ETH can sort of stretch around $2,075.75 for October. So certainly is Ethereum a sort of wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very large manner. Ethereum value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Ethereum cost in a real sense is figured to explicitly arrive at a least cost of $2,030.28, which most certainly is very critical. The ETH cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $2,328.08, with the sort of typical expected cost around $2,117.26, showing how might ETH cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, which basically is genuinely huge. Ethereum value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is supposed to generally be at around a truly least of $2,132.37, showing that Ethereum value expectation July 2023. Ethereum value sort of is supposed to reach between $1,794.36 to $1,951.79 in July 2023, while the extremely normal cost of ETH for the July in a real sense stays around $1,881.34. Ethereum value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is somewhat anticipated to sort of arrive at an especially normal cost of $1,956.59, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $2,045.86 and a for the most part least of $1,887.01, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $2,433.95 with the genuinely normal cost of $2,201.95 in USD, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Ethereum sort of passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been truly diminished by 0.07% in its ongoing worth, or so they especially thought. On the off chance that we generally look at the by and large current market cap of the ETH with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap is likewise down, exhibiting how these most certainly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a truly significant manner. Ethereum is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, which truly is genuinely huge. The ETH for the most part is down to nearly 6.41% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which is genuinely critical. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for essentially past truly couple of days. The coin could truly have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't actually imagine that it would a productive resource in every practical sense. Present moment. So Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost, all things considered, is supposed to truly cross a fundamentally normal value level of $2,201.95. The normal sort of least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to truly be $2,132.37, exhibiting how might ETH cost truly outperform its unsurpassed in every practical sense high in an exceptionally huge way. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH truly diminished by 17.869%, taking out an incredible especially normal amount of $379.55 from its certainly current worth. So ETH fundamentally has a complete market cap of $209,731,903,250 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,460,131,095, which for the most part is genuinely huge. This unexpected down implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a genuinely decent sort of purchase and open door for extremely speedy venture, exhibiting that the ETH certainly is down to nearly 6.41% in the genuinely most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change essentially is around 8.21%, and the cost for the most part coursed from it in every way that really matters, least all things considered. Normal cost of $1,579.46 to exceptionally greatest genuinely normal cost of $1,600